In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color caption on Descript. If you've been looking for a way to make your videos more engaging and accessible, adding color to your captions can be a great step forward. Not only does this help in maintaining the viewer's attention, but it can also enhance the overall aesthetic of your video. Let's dive into how you can do it. First things first, you'll want to have your project open in Descript. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and open your project so we can start. Once you've got your project open, turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various panels, but the one we want is the Captions panel. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and styling your captions. Once you're in the Captions panel, you'll see an option to apply captions either to all scenes or just this scene. Depending on your needs, you might want to add captions throughout your entire project or just for a specific part. If you want to maintain a consistent style across your video, choosing all scenes might be the best option. On the other hand, if you're focusing on a particular scene with key details, selecting this scene will suit your needs better. Now, it's time to select a caption style. This part is essential as it determines how your captions will look on the screen. When you select a caption style, it effectively adds a new captions layer to your project. Descript takes it from there, generating the captions based on your existing script and automatically syncing them with the timeline of your video. This syncing process ensures that what your viewers read aligns perfectly with what they hear, enhancing their overall experience. As you're working with the captions style, consider experimenting with different colors. Color can be a powerful tool in highlighting specific parts of the dialogue or giving a unique feel to various sections of your video. Make sure the color you choose aligns well with the video's theme and is also readable against your video's background. Balancing aesthetics with accessibility is key. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and color your captions in Descript. This method not only enhances the visual appeal of your videos, but also ensures they are more inclusive and engaging for a broader audience. Take your time to experiment with different styles and colors to find what works best for you and your content. Thank you for watching, and happy captioning!